Hello to the two people. Wait. Hopefully the quality's bad enough that you didn't see that. Okay, I'm unboxing a journal that I got from Redbubble. Okay. Oh my god, that's good. Now that's hot. Now that's hot. I've never actually bought a journal online, a specifically designed journal. Well, this wasn't personalized. If you look, you can see it's a Minecraft diamond block. Now that's hot. Anyway, this is also my first time buying a graph journal. Let's see how it is. They're like, I knew that they're actually crosses, not dots. They look like dots, but they're crosses. There you go. So yeah, if you expected a full graph, you're not gonna get it. Your math notebook's fricked. Anyway, takes a good... I'll get used to it. I don't know how many pages this is. Hopefully it's a lot. My review. Happy mining.